All right, so we're back with the Solana update at the moment. So you do have this pattern, right? You do have that bearish kind of candlestick at the moment with almost every single coin, and Solana is doing a very bad job to actually cross out of this level. And you're looking for Solana to actually move up to $56.9, but at the moment the problem really is that you're not crossing that level. But I do notice one particular pattern that is forming for Solana at the moment. And that's very beautiful ascending triangle right there, in my opinion. So you're putting in an ascending triangle, and that's how I'm just going to leave it like this. Looks like a very nice picture perfect ascending triangle with a decision coming by 22 of August. So all you're doing right now is you're going down, going up, going down, going up, going down like this. It's moving sideways, and then that decision comes in by 22 of August, of course. And what I'm going to say is that the technical target for Solana is going to be from the top to the bottom. If you do actually make a successful break and a retest, then we're looking for Solana to basically move to this price level, which is going to be up to $62. And that's going to be amazing, amazing pump. If in the future you actually take an entry here, like a 49% move to the upside. But keep in mind, if you fail to break to the upside, if you fail and you break down instead, then you're coming down to $28. So you're actually gonna, my suggestion is you break on a confirmation back test and you move higher. So that's it for Solana. Let's move on to the next one, which is going to be Luna 2.0.